Now we are installing these fucking cones.
No fucking, just this.
Keep it.
Yo, you said to give out the attitude that we give over here, bro.
Yeah.
Where's Joe at? Where the fuck is the new guy? Yo, new guy!
Over here, bro.
This is a first at Bimmer Hub. We never done this before. Somebody's got to figure it out, and it's me. I gotta put the GoPro on my head, show these guys what we do over here. We satisfy customers. We meet their needs. You want to put these on your car?
I had fucking underglows in my car. I did that shit. Put in this piece of shit over here.
Eso es lo que yo le estaba diciendo lo mismo.
Ahorita voy para el Pablo.
Yo dijo lo mismo, Pablo.
Lo que pasa es que vino Karol G, se encerraron. Yo los vi encerrándose en la oficina.
It's a bunch of bullshit.
Alright guys, it's Jose here from Bimmer Hub. As you can see, we have a 2022 G82 M4 Competition and for some modifications. As you can see, we now have the front bumper off the vehicle, and we will be installing these following components, which is the carbon fiber front grille, along with the MAD front mount intakes and the laser headlights. And after, we will be installing the CSL taillights. Buddy!
He's making you wear this shit?
Yeah, bro. This guy's like, oh, I'm gonna go get lunch. You have to wear this. He's like, so.
I'm gonna take a J-pipe walk on the dyno. How do I do that?
Oh, it's easy. It's cake. It's cake, buddy.
I'm doing it.
This Paul's is shy. He was like, yo, talk shit to the camera. Do whatever you want. Just left. Woo! That shit was hard. Oh. Mueve la mesa, cabrón.
Me voy a cagar encima.
So Pablo was yelling at me, yo, if I gotta take a shit, how the fuck do I get to the bathroom? I was like, move the table, bro. It's like, puta, Jose. Si me estoy cagando encima, ¿cómo llego al baño? Oh, see, now it's not dancing, bro. It's not dancing. I'm gonna go look at Joe's car outside. Came here to measure and verify where I put the LEDs. They're in the right position. And the car inside should be good. Just gonna have to go right on the edge. No problem, buddy. Oh, fuck.
Christmas.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, that's fucking cool. I want that on my car.
What do you think?
It's cool.
Grant, you want that on your car?
I don't know.
Damn, you need a downpipe first.
Yeah. Look how it shuts off. Shits match each other. Look at that shit. See that shit jumping? Look.
Quality work. Look at that.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, that shit looks kind of fire.
Yo, this is gas, yo. This is gas.
Yeah, that shit looks fire.
Yeah, that's that. I'm alright. Alright, this shit look kind of fire. Come on, let's put the bumper on.
Hold on, let's do the red.
Oh, it's on fire.
Alright guys, now we're gonna take the car outside and see what it looks like in the night. Alright guys, thanks for following along. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.